Hi friends, hope you having a great weekend. Well, you must have heard the quote that don't put all your eggs in one basket. The same applies to our investments. We all want our money and funds to be invested in places from where we get the highest returns out of them, right? So today, let us have a look at the good and not so good types of investments which are available to us. First, let us have a look at the best ways of investment, and one of the best ways is investing in property. We have often heard people saying that real estate prices have gone through the roof. A few years ago, the same property would be available at one third the price it is quoted today. So, a flat of rupees 20 lakh a few years ago would be well over rupees 60 lakh today. But friends, you have to follow a strategy, and buying cheap is the mantra. You have to be an early investor in the right market, at the right place, at the right time. So if you invest in the real estate sector with the sound strategy, then be rest assured your investment will grow by leaps and bounds. The next type of investment is mutual funds. Friends, the entire concept of mutual funds is to attract the average investor. The investments made by the small investors in the mutual funds are pooled to buy a broad diversity of stocks and other securities, and the risk is spread amongst them. The best thing about mutual funds is that it allows great flexibility, it provides professional investment management, and it has great returns. Insurance products are also a good type of investment. They are basically for the investors who want to invest over a long term. There is a dual benefit in this case as it provides insurance coverage as well as gives high yields. So it is perfect for a long term investor. Now, the government backed securities are also a nice option for investment as they are considered to be the most secure. Although they may not be the best performers, but without a doubt, they are the most secure investment. And also, they give fixed returns. These were the safe and good investments. And now, let us have a look at the risky and not so good ones. Well, no doubt the returns are high, but the risks are higher and they are not safe. The first in this list is commodity speculation. Commodities trading is the buying and selling of materials for future delivery. So, in this case, there is a chance for unlimited loss. So, unless you have the absolute confidence and the understanding that everything you have worked for in your entire life will just disappear overnight as you sleep and you will not be affected by it, don't trade in commodities. The next are the tax shelters, which are mainly used to avoid taxes and not for any economic use. After many tax reform acts, these tax shelters have been curtailed for the average investors, and the people who are mainly profited from these are those with large amount of passive income and not the earning income. Hence, these tax shelters are not recommended for the average investors. Next in the list are gemstones. Yes, you heard me right. Friends, the diamond you may have in your finger is not an investment. Most people do the mistake of buying high and selling low. And it is very rare for an investor to make regular profits in gem speculation. Stocks are surprisingly a part of this list. Although the professional investors can make regular profits in the common stock, but average investors without proper knowledge are not equipped to accurately speculate which stocks may do well, which may not, or where to invest. Well, the investor should be holding the stock over a long time to get good returns, but that is not followed. The average investors like us move our money around in the stock market from one stock to another in search of short term benefits, and without professional guidance, the investors end up making losses. Friends, before you invest, just remember a few golden rules. Nothing is risk free, nothing rises forever. If it sounds too good to be true, then be alert and always read the disclosures very carefully. So, the bottom line is that you learn as much as you can and make your decisions yourself. The world of investing is cold and hard, but if you do your research thoroughly, then your chances of success are very good. Benjamin Franklin once said, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." I wish you have a rocking weekend. I'll see you soon. You take care.